got you covered in DFW with news, traffic, and weather all day. News Radio 1080 KRLD.
And your news continues for the law offices of Nick Namath at myirsteam.com. There's word just in that California will become the first state in the U.S. to require
This is a test of the National Emergency Alert System. This system was developed by broadcast and cable operators in voluntary cooperation with the Federal Emergency Management Agency, the Federal Communications Commission, and local authorities to keep you informed in the event of an emergency. If this had been an actual emergency, an official message would have followed the tone alert you heard at the start of this message. No action is required.
KRLD News Time is 1:21.